If you have cast iron pans or a barbecue, you really need this wringer. It's a patented stainless steel mesh that does amazing work on cleaning cast iron. It'll clean a surface like this beautifully without causing any damage. So let me show you how this works. I will usually do it in a sink, but I'm doing it right here for you. I usually just use water, and then I take the wringer and I scrub, and this will really get everything off your pan. Way better than a sponge. It just scrubs it all off and collects within the wringer and on the pan itself. When finished scrubbing, I will rinse it out, but I'm gonna pull it up right here with a napkin, but you can see here how much dirt I scrubbed right off of that with a quick scrub of the wringer. It makes my pans smooth, it keeps them happy, it makes them last a really long time. Now for the wringer itself, it can get quite dirty when you're finished with it. So what I'll do is I'll just add some soapy water to it because it's stainless steel, nothing's gonna happen. And then I'll squish it around a bunch, rinse it out, just keep doing that a few times, and then it's good to go. It really is one of those ingenious devices that I cannot live without. I take this when I go camping and I want to clean those barbecue grill tops and make sure they're safe for my family, and obviously use it on my cast iron. Right here, you can see it says the wringer. It has worn down a little bit right there, but that's the only piece of this that's worn down over all the years I've used it. It really does last, and it's really a fantastic thing for your cast iron pans. I cannot recommend it enough.